Hey guys, welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'm going to look over my mother's shoulder again and she's going to teach me how to make roti or roti, however you want to say it. It's Indian flatbread, so let's learn this together guys. So here I am guys, standing over my mom's shoulder while she's busy mixing 1.5 kgs of flour, 60 ml of oil and 60 ml of melted butter. What she did, she literally just took 60 ml of oil and 60 ml of butter that's melted, mixed them together, put it into the mix and started mixing with a wooden spoon. And as she's mixing, she's adding a little bit of hot water, a little bit at a time, and she continues doing this until she gets to a soft dough. You get to a point where everything just sticks to the wooden spoon, so you start using your hands at this point where you can start kneading the dough and combining it together. Just remember, add your hot water very slowly so that you don't get too sticky of a mix and you don't get too dry of a mix. But if your mixture does get a little bit too sticky, just add a little bit more flour. If it's a little bit too dry, add a little bit more hot water, just till you get to a nice soft dough that's very pliable and it's easy to use. Now what we're going to do, now that our dough is ready, we're going to roll it out fairly thick, and what we're going to do, we're going to make it nice and flat, and then we're going to indent the dough with our fingers, and we're going to make some more of that oil and melted butter mix. We're going to poke little indents into the dough and we're going to brush that over the dough, and once we finish doing that, we're going to roll the dough into like a sausage, and then we're going to take out pieces and we're going to roll it into a ball. And this ball is what we're going to use to make the roti. As you can see, my mom is breaking off the dough and making it into a ball. From there, we're going to flour our surface and we're going to roll the roti out. My mom has skills in this. This is going to take me a lot of practice to be able to make roti round. Or what you could do, you could actually literally just roll it out flat, take a saucer or a plate and just cut out a circle. And from here, we're going to heat our stove up to a medium-high heat, and we're going to use a cast iron pan. We call it a tava, and we're going to initially just brush it with oil, and then we're going to put our roti on there. Now that our rotis are ready, we're going to put it onto our cast iron pan. We're going to fry it on here for about a minute or so until you start to see that your roti starts to bubble. And once it bubbles, we're going to flip it, and then we're going to take a little bit more of that oil and melted butter mix and brush it over the roti. You'll see little brown spots, and then you flip it again, brush it, and then it should be done. And there you have it. The rotis are already getting stacked up. And also what you can do, you can take a wet towelette and put it over so that your rotis don't dry as you frying. And you can enjoy it with curry. Enjoy. So there you have it, my mom's recipe on how to make roti and even the process of how to do it. So try it at home, guys. Let me know how it goes, and like, subscribe, and don't forget to let me know what other videos you'd like me to make, and I'll see you later, guys.